I want to be honest with you, your product is not the failure, your shitty videos are. You could have the best offer in the world, but if your product video looks boring, fake, or amateur, nobody clicks, nobody buys. In fact, nobody even notices in a world full of video-based content. But one tool can help you turn a simple product link into a scroll-stopping video ad in under 60 seconds without filming, editing, or showing your face. And this video is the review for that tool. Stay with me. ShopReelAI Bundle is an AI-powered video creation system built specifically for product marketing. Instead of spending hours filming or paying freelancers, this tool uses AI to turn product URLs into short, high-converting promo videos perfect for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, and ads. Just 3 steps. Paste your product link. The AI pulls product details automatically. It generates scripts, visuals, transitions, voiceovers, everything. It's that simple. You don't need editing skills, a camera, or creativity. Why the bundle? Because what makes this tool a full-blown value package is the bundle. Bundle gives you multiple AI modules designed for in-one dashboard, which you can leverage for e-commerce products, affiliate offers, dropshipping review-style videos, short-form social traffic, which means instead of having stock video subscription, video editor, social media scheduler, product research tool, ShopReel. AI Bundle consolidates 4 different software categories, research, creation, editing, scheduling, into one dashboard. Undoubtedly, a very high-value proposition for someone like you whose life depends on video ads. Setup takes minutes. You get instant access after purchase, and it costs a one-time payment of 317 yearly equivalent. Plus, there's a money-back guarantee of 14 days, which means you can test it without any pressure. Should you buy it? If you're promoting products online and struggling with videos, ShopReelAI Bundle is honestly a no-brainer. It removes the biggest friction in marketing, creating content. Check the link in the description to see how it works. Subscribe if you want more tools that actually save time and make money. See you in the next one.